welcome. Good evening.
That nigga gay, nigga gay, nigga gay, nigga gay, nigga gay, nigga gay, nigga gay.
I know you guys are used to his fucking moaning by now.
Oh, me love you long time.
This is Mr. Sexy over here, by the way, you guys. If you mod cars, you gotta know him. And he's gonna clean up the work that was done on my fucking fender job. He's just gonna cut more. Cut even more, cut the bumper more so I have more clearance for this setup. And then, but who gives a fuck? The real reason we're here tonight is my fucking rear brakes finally came in. I ordered this a year and a half ago. The fronts came in, and now it's the fucking rears, okay? Konnichiwa. Got the fucking 17 grand for front and rear. The shit is fucking very expensive, but I've been waiting for this. The only thing is the hats are not gonna be paint matched until my paint guy comes. So I'm gonna have mismatched hats, but other than that, we're gonna put this shit on. We're gonna do an oil change for the car. See how fucked up the oil is. I haven't done an oil change since I got the fucking car. So we're gonna do an oil change, and then Brian's gonna lick my balls, and that's it.
I'm gonna watch.
Yeah. So let's unbox these and see what the fuck it looks like. We already know what it looks like. It's not a fucking secret, but let's do it anyway. And I'll see you guys in a second. These are so fucking pretty. Okay. Fucking love JDM shit. I love it. God damn it. These are the new rotors. Bro, this shit is hard.
It's about fucking time, motherfucker.
Fuck you.
Have you ever seen a grown man on his fucking knees? You know exactly why this happens.
You're a stupid.
You see what's going on here?
You're a fucking pussy, dude.
Oh damn, these are fucking pretty nice.
They're hella sick. Where's the fucking card at?
Your credit card? Oh, yeah.
What is that? Is this just off the test?
Fuck you.
I am so tired, bro. What a long day.
Give me that. Look at this shit. Fuck. This is cool because I have it right here. These are different rotors than the ones I have. Like these little smiley faces right here. This is a little bit different than the ones I have on my front. The fronts I bought at it was a used kit, so they might be the older ones, but I could probably change them out. But look at this. And then look at this. Endless caliper license card. Shipment day 10/19/2021. That's when they shipped it. This is so sick. Oh fuck, this is so fucking hard. The music in the background.
No, go like this. Go like this. Fucking point at the black shit and be like, all right, in 3, 2, 1, and then go here.
No. It's not a big reveal.
Oh, yeah. What does he want to eat?
He ate already. He ate with his brother-in-law at his birthday.
I'm getting better at vlogging, okay? Just give me a break.
Fuck you.
Vlog these nuts in your mouth.
Oh, you fucking bitch.
Oh my god. Bitch. Fuck.
What? Bitch!
I'm gonna fuck you up. Bitch ass mother. That's right.
Oh my god.
This is caught on 4K.
Bitch ass motherfucker, you see that?
Oh, yeah.
Fuck this guy.
Do we cut this right now, or?
No. That's just one round. I'm gonna beat him.
Bitch ass mother. Oh my god!
You suck. Thank you. Look at that.
Put the bracket on backwards.
No, we didn't. It was perfect. And it is perfect. I like these rotors more than the front ones. I think these are like a newer version or something, because I tried to find the rotors for mine, the front ones, but I don't think I can they make them anymore. This is sick.
Left side. That's the right side. Right.
Can you open up your DN?
No.
Can you open up your text message?
For brake flush, it's so if it's left-hand drive will be right here, right-hand drive will be over there. It's a procedure, so pretty much you gotta bleed from the furthest way from the brake master. You're bleeding the system.
I
So
see.
here, and then the last one's right there.
Oh, I see. See? You'll learn something new. You have to subscribe if you want to learn more. I'm going to call this segment Brian's Corner. Brian's Corner. Or let's think of a cool name. Brian Ain't Lying. I'm going to call that segment every time you speak truth. I just came up with a name for it. It's called Brian Ain't Lying. And it's going to be something smart that you say every time.
I don't know if it's smart. I'm just dumb.
No.
I'm just guessing.
You taught something new. It's gonna be. He taught us how to bleed the brakes properly. So I'm gonna call that segment Brian Ain't Lying, and he's gonna say something smart every time.
How about I suck you?
Big my
Yeah.
balls?
Hey, you heard of that new spaceship that they found, the UFO? The E10. They're calling it E10. Seriously, it's a UFO. Have you seen it? E10, yeah, E-10. Yeah. Eating these nuts.
That was fucking gay.
I mean, when you've heard them all, you gotta say the shit that you haven't heard.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, have you played the game Sea of Thieves?
You know that girl Myra?
Sea of Thieves. Brian, do you play Sea of Thieves?
You know that girl Myra?
Sea of Thieves. Let's put in your mouth, motherfucker!
Myra,
My right hand?
you guys like pudding?
Putting these nuts in your fucking mouth?
Well, first of all, anything anyone says right now for the next fucking 10 seconds, you're gonna know it's about these nuts. You're gonna have to wait.
What about Candace?
Of course.
Well,
I love Candace. Candace dick.
what about Chocoma?
What?
Chocoma.
Chocoman?
Yeah.
Like a little bit?
Chocoma dick in your mouth.
Oh.
Just put your camera on the TV so you have content.
Oh, right here. Pretend I'm at the club. One of those. I'm there, right here. Guys, I'm sitting past. Oh shit, it's going. Oh. You're a fucking dude. Look at this mess. All this food. Ron ate all this shit. He ate all those fucking plates, all this shit. This is all his shit.
I know what you can eat.
Fat fuck. What a fucking fat bitch. Ron's a fucking environmentalist. He likes to fucking. You fucking Yogi Bear and shit now?
Let's talk about what you wanted to do. Mark wanted to put all his old oil in the middle of the street.
No, I said.
Turtles, bro.
What I said was, Ron's not letting me do it.
Throw dirty oil in the sewer.
No, in the plant.
That's not what I said,
He
dude.
wants to fucking pterodactyl shit on you guys.
You missed the fine print. I said, if I had land in the metaverse.
Really? Well, in the metaverse, you know, I would have fucking smashed your head with a cock.
Yeah, you would have fucking eaten my pussy in the metaverse. All right, so I guess we're not changing my oil then.
Clean it up. That's it.
You clean.
I'm going home. I don't have to be here, dude. I always clean up. I pay for a fucking maid. Fuck you. Suck my dick.
Oh, this shit right here?
This shit.
This just added value. Take a picture and post it on your IG.
Fuck you.
Penis cup.
No, you're just doing it to get thicker, right?
Okay.
Oh, shit. I don't mind VTech. Shit. I don't really have to ask you guys if you think it looks better. Obviously, it looks better because it matches the front now, so. I'm not gonna be one of those guys. Look, I wiped this off. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. I'm not gonna waste your guys' time with that shit. But it looks obviously fucking good as fuck. I just have to paint these hats to match the caliper. My guy is coming in a couple days. His name is Ron, actually. He's a good Ron.
Oh yeah.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Holy moly, holy moly. LeBron!
Done. You were hitting originally in here with the plastics. I just got that off.
Yeah, I have a feeling I was hitting when I was stock camber.
Are you gonna camera some more in the front?
This is negative 3.5, bro. Almost 4.
That's enough already, actually.
Like I can't do any more. All right, guys. I'd like to thank Mr. Sexy over here. Obviously, Too Dope Jay-Z, aka Brian. Ron didn't help with anything, so I'm not thanking his ass. But as always,
Yeah, you got some tools.
you know what? I cut Ron a little bit too short. Thank you so much for being a fucking dude. Because if you weren't one, then I'd be one. So I appreciate it. And I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I think you guys should hit that subscribe button because it's free. So I think you should hit it, slap it. It's gonna really help me out. It's gonna help me out. Ron's YouTube has.
I got a question. No, not a question. Hit that like button to get to. Fuck. What was it? Oh fuck! I can't think. It's too late.
Something bad about him, right?
All right. If you get 5,000 likes, you're gonna kick him in the butt.
Hit that like button and suck my dick.